In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backup in Webflow. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to ensure that all your hard work is safely stored and easily retrievable. Whether it's due to design changes gone wrong or simply wanting to have a safe copy of your project, understanding how to create a backup is essential. Let's start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer. This is your primary workspace where you create and refine all the elements of your project. Once you are in the designer, you need to direct your attention to the bottom left panel. Among various icons, locate the gear icon. This little symbol is your gateway to the site settings. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Once you're in the site settings, you'll see several tabs at your disposal. The one we're interested in right now is labeled Backups. This tab is dedicated to managing all things related to your project's backups. Here you'll find a list of both automatic and manual backups. Automatic backups are periodically created by Webflow, providing a safety net for your project. However, there might be specific instances when you want more control, and this is where manual backups come in handy. To create a manual backup, you need to click on the New Backup button. This action signals to Webflow that you're initiating a fresh backup of your current state. Naming your backup is an important step. You want to give it a descriptive title that clearly indicates what this backup represents. This could be a timestamp, a description of changes, or even a version number. Naming it aptly will save you time and confusion when you need to restore it later. After you've entered the name, simply click the Save button. Webflow will now create this backup and add it to your list, easily distinguishable by the name you've chosen. This process is quick, but the peace of mind it provides is invaluable, ensuring you've safeguarded your progress at this particular moment in time. Taking the time to manually back up your work at key stages of your project provides a safety net, allowing you to return to previous versions with ease and preventing the loss of your valuable work. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to protect your creativity and effort. With these instructions, you're now well equipped to handle your backups in Webflow confidently and efficiently. Remember, regular backups can save you from losing countless hours of work, so make this a part of your routine. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to explore more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.